In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you factors of production. So there are four factors of production in economics: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. And factors of production are input in the production process. Without factors of production, production is not possible. So the first one is land. So land refers to the natural resources which are available on earth's surface and also beneath it, and this includes not only the physical land itself but also everything that is extracted from it or produced on it. So land includes land which is used for agriculture or business purposes, as well as natural resources which is taken from above or below the soil. The next one is the capital. So capital represent durable goods which are used in the production process to create other goods and services, and this includes machinery, equipment, tools, building infrastructure, and other physical assets which are used in the production process. So next one is the labor. So labor refers to the human effort, both mental and physical, that is used in the production process to create goods and services. So it consists of manpower used in the process of production. The last one is the entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurship involves the process of identifying opportunities, organizing resources, and assuming the risk which is associated with the starting, managing, and growing a business or venture. And entrepreneurs are the individual who bring innovation, creativity, and managerial abilities to the organization. An entrepreneur can be owners or managers of fund. So this was today's tutorial. If you have any question, you can ask in comment, and thanks for watching this video and subscribe for more economics tutorial.